First release of iPad battery read and rate set in the industry. Operation steps. Buckle the 8 to 15 p.m. battery read and read adapter on V1 SE. Connect to the iPod mini for fifths. 6. Battery read and read adapter with the provided data cable. Buckle the battery on the socket of corresponding port. After it shows read battery successfully, click Health Modify. Then modify the battery health and click Write. Waiting for modifying data. Modify battery health successfully. Then change with iPad battery read and read Pro. Scanning the QR code on the iPad Battery Pro. Soldering the corresponding iPad joints according to the iPad wire flying diagram. After flying wire, align the Pro with the iPad battery socket. After it shows read battery successfully, then modify the battery health and click Write. Do not loosen the iPad Battery Pro during the operation. Modify battery health successfully.